What's good, y'all? I hope you're having a fabulous day. I just want to sit and talk to y'all for a little minute before I get ready to step out, make some moves. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I got some big plays I need to make tonight. You know what I'm saying? First of all, I just want to show y'all like a little bit of my like lock maintenance. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. This is how I choose, you know, so I can get the desired look that I want. You understand? So you know, the company, they still didn't cut my check, so I'm not gonna reveal my oil. But you know, choose something that smells great. Right? You know, sometimes my hands get caught in, caught into it, so you really gotta be kind of careful. But for the most part, it's okay. You know, when I'm bored and I'm sitting around, you know, I flip through, and then when I, find some wines, like, you see this one? Yeah, I try to like start at the root, and then I just try to like twist the hairs to the lot. You understand? So, and in the end, I try to go as far down as I can. And then, I look around. That was like the most outrageous one. For the most part, everything else is kind of okay. And then I look after, especially this one right here. I really want to make sure, like, they get it, the hairs around them. So, I don't, so I can, give it as much support as possible. I separate it, pull them apart. And then, I just look after it, a little more than the rest seems like. I don't want it to break off. But even if it did break off, I could still attach it back. But I can combine it anytime I want to, but I just choose not to right now. So that's what I do when I look after. You see how you get kind of like the neatness, like all around. Like, if I was to, sit and do it a little more, like, what I'm saying, all the loose hairs, go down it. As much as possible, and then That's how I get like that kind of consistency. You know, some people, what they do is they cut that part off, but I don't want to do nothing like that, so I just wrap them around a lot. You know what I'm saying? And then you be good. You straight. You know what I mean? So that's what I do, alright? You heard? So yeah, definitely make sure y'all subscribe, holler at me. If y'all got any questions, let me know. Shout out to my followers. Shout out to all the Zoes, you heard? The Zoe life. You know? Shout out to everybody. Everybody in Loc Nation. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody who's been consistently showing me the love. I really appreciate all that. Alright? Make sure you have a nice and safe Thanksgiving. Okay? And holla at your boy. Later.